Hi everyone, welcome back. Going to be potting on some Calendula, Sherbet Fizz and Neon. So we have the Neon ones, are these ones, down this row. Doing well, we've got true leaves, looking happy. And we've got the Sherbet Fizz down this row, again, looking happy. So I thought we'd give them some more space. I sowed these a while ago. I think everything's taking a bit longer to germinate and grow now, with less heat and light. So they've taken a while to get to this stage. Right, I need to make sure I don't mix these up. So Neon, Calendula, that one hasn't germinated. This one, we've got a tiny one, but I might put him in with some others. I'm just going to squeeze these out. This one has 3 in there. I hope you can hear me over the rain. Oh, I left one behind, sorry. Okay, we have 3 plants from that cell. So we'll give them their own pot now. Good size. Some true leaves. Looks happy. Not been eaten, which is a bonus. Not very good roots, but hopefully they'll pick up. Oh, that's better roots. Better roots on that one. Can you see that? Usually I find when I pot up seedlings, once they are happy in their new pot, you can tell because they'll stand upright rather than being floppy. And once they realise they have that extra space and nutrients, they usually go crazy after that. They look happier already, look at these. Right, so more of the same. These are Neon. I'm going to have to get a label ready in a minute. Bear with me, we're using any size pot I can find that isn't currently being used. Sometimes I do this and I'll put, I don't even know what size that is, I'll put 2 or 3 seedlings in there depending on how big they are. Oh, we do not want that slug, thank you. This is the coconut waste compost that I spoke about the other day, mixed with vermiculite, just for adding some air and some drainage into the soil. Right, we have one on his own. Can you see this tray? Yes, you can. Okay, one on his own. I'm just going to use my fingers like a dibber. Pull out everything, including the roots. Oh, he's got some good roots on this one. That's good. Well done. Oh, one long root. See that? Go in there. Now this cell has 3. So again, get my fingers around where I think all the roots would be and lift them all out together. We've got 3 babies. 1. These are very close together. Come on. 2, 3. That's good. You can go in that one. In there, and you up a bit. Oh no. Sorry, Poppet. He's fine. Okay, and top you guys up a bit. Okay, and we have 3 in there. And we need to do this one. I try to go about as deep as they were planted. Sometimes I'll go a few mil deeper just to help them stand. Been eaten a tiny bit by something, but within a few days these will all perk up, stand up straight, and once they stand up straight it means that they are starting to actively grow, which is obviously what we want. Now there's a tiny one here. He's not done the best. Oh, okay, I think there might have been something. Oh, okay. Right, let's get the slug off of you. That's the second one we've just found. Alright, thank you. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. I don't know if you can see. He's got his seed still stuck on his leaf, and I wonder if that could be the reason why he got deformed, unless it was a genetic thing. I'm going to plant him anyway because I feel bad for him. I feel bad when they've taken the time to grow and then I don't use them, so I try to use them. There we go, that's Neon. Let's make a sign for that. I've got mud in my glove. Really low on labels. This one. I'm trying to reuse the labels until there is no life left in them. I do need to get some more. So that's Calendula Neon. That's Neon. Okay, and then what I will do is pop all of them in a group in the same tray, so that it can't be mistaken what they are. 3, 4, 5 pots. And these are big though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do them 2 together and 1 on its own. And we're doing Sherbet Fizz. Much better roots. Sherbet Fizz. I'm going to put a couple of these in a couple of the pots, and then one will be on its own. I think I might put one of these on their own because they're the biggest. More. That's a good sign when you see the roots coming out the bottom of the clump that you've picked up. That's a good sign. Well done, guys. Who's the biggest? They're both about the same, to be honest. Pop you in, top you up. Lovely. That's really heavy with all that soil on. Okay. Pop you in and top you up. Just a gentle firm around them. Don't go mad with it. Right, another label. So that was Neon that I've just done. These are Sherbet Fizz. So if we cross off the other ones, then what's left will be the one that we need. Okay. So, Sherbet Fizz. Okay. Dump the old compost. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon.